All right.
Hello.
I'm excited for this.
Yes, we got a box full of NBA and NFL merchandise.
Yeah. Hopefully there's a size that fits me.
We're excited to see what teams we got.
All right.
All right, first up, we have Knicks jersey.
Oh, that's legit.
Ooh, nice. New York Knicks reppin'.
Wow.
I like this.
Back in the college days, this would be lit.
Wow. It's large. It's a little big, but it's okay because I can wear it.
Nice. Here I have a Tennessee Titans. I believe it's an NFL team. Yep, it's an NFL team.
This looks super comfortable.
This looks like it fits you.
Oh yeah, it does. It's so comfortable, and right now it's getting a little cold, so I'm excited to have this keep me warm.
Nice. What else?
Let's see. Oh, a white t-shirt.
Oh,
This is-
Chicago Bulls.
Yes, Chicago Bulls.
Michael
A
Jordan.
Really nice white shirt.
Yes.
Nice.
This one is cool. It's a Lakers
Ooh.
hoodie.
Oh, I like this
Yeah,
one.
this is definitely for you.
I like the crop top kind of feel, the colors, and I'm a fan of the Lakers.
Ooh, Brooklyn Nets.
Oh, nice.
I
What
think
size
this
is
is a little
this?
large. It's large.
Okay.
A little big for me. Oh, that's
Comfortable.
cool. Yeah. I like the material.
Yeah, it feels very soft.
Yeah. What else we got?
Ooh, one more?
Oh, the best for last.
The New York Knicks. What size is this? Small.
Oh, this is
Perfect.
my.
Nice. This is
I like this.
comfortable too, the feeling.
Wow, it's perfect for this weather right now.
Oh
actually.
yeah.
Ooh,
Nice.
thank you.
Wow.
I love it.
Some great choices to wear. Thank you, Ultra Game.
Yeah. Thank you. Pam.